Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, see my face. I was just too lazy for any makeup today. Just a touch of lipstick and I'm good to go. Yes, I have another DIY video for you guys today. Yes, it is a season of DIYs for me. Immediately I find out about any DIY, I just want to share it with you, my beautiful people. So today's DIY is how to whiten your teeth naturally at home without using too much ingredients. Just turmeric, coconut oil and baking soda. So guys, let's go see how to prepare the paste for teeth whitening. Yes, I will be trying it on my teeth. Yes, my teeth are not that bright, you can see. Okay, see. After this DIY, we will see if this actually worked or not. So let's go do it.
So these are the ingredients: my baking soda, turmeric powder and coconut oil. So now let's get started. So now let's apply the paste. Get a toothbrush which you know you won't be needing anymore. That is my short, right? So we all know how turmeric can be so messy and stains a lot. If you have a balm or a Vaseline, apply around your mouth area so you don't get the stains there. But I didn't have a Vaseline. I'm applying my usual coconut oil around my mouth area so that even when turmeric touches it, I can easily wash it out. Now put your paste on your toothbrush and start brushing away. Brush for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then wash it off and do oil pulling. Oil pulling is a process where you put coconut oil in your mouth to rinse your mouth and spit it out. Afterward, get your usual toothpaste and your toothbrush and brush your teeth for another 2 minutes and rinse it off. Guys, this is my teeth afterwards. I think it is effective. I can feel the difference. This method is advisable to do once or twice weekly. Thanks for watching.